In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very cool AI tool that you can use to generate different kind of images completely for free. Okay, so this AI tool is called Arena AI, which you can access by coming to arena.oi. You can just go ahead and search for arena.ai and it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in with your username and password, or you can log in with any of your Google accounts. Now you will be able to see the searches. This is the search area, just like the way you see it in ChatGPT. You can search from here and you can use different kind of models. Now, if you want to use a default model, you can go ahead and come to generate images from here, or alternatively, you can come to this battle mode. You can go to direct, and then in here you can be able to generate also from here, or you can have other features like the dashboard creation, cloning, game, 3D spatial, retro. These are different kind of systems or applications that you can generate directly with. So for now, my target is image, but you can specify what kind of model that you want to use to generate the image. For now, let me say I'm going to use the ZAI and I'm going to give it my prompt. So image generation, I click on image, so I can say create the image of a lion in a beach drinking coffee, okay, and wearing a headset and sunglasses. All right, you can be as detailed as you want, and then you can go ahead and click on generate, and this is now going to generate something for you. And you can see the quality of the image that it has generated. Very, very detailed. He's drinking the coffee in a beach, wearing the headset and the sunglasses. You can see the atmosphere. Very, very nice. You can easily download this. If you're interested in downloading, you can just download from here. Alternatively, why I like the Arena AI is the fact that if you want to edit the image, you can edit it as well. So you can come to edit in here and you can give the same prompt. For example, you can say remove the sunglasses, move the sunglasses, can replace with a red glass, and change the coffee to Coca-Cola. All right, so let's see what this is going to actually generate for us. So that's the beauty of it. You can be able to now edit the image that you have created. In addition to the downloading it and using it for your content, you can as well import an external image or the image that you have generated, and you'll be able to edit it directly on the platform. And take a look at the image that it has generated. Truly, it has replaced the coffee with the Coca-Cola, and then the image with the sunglasses with the red glasses. Okay, so you can see the beauty about this, and you can go ahead and download this as well. You can keep generating images. I have generated some, so let me show you a bit of what I have created with this particular AI tool. This is the image of a rat drinking Coca-Cola on the beach. You can see it is the same image. So this is the beauty about this particular AI tool. You can create, you can edit, and you can select maybe from different assistants that have generated the images. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.